listen in. Listen to the conversation and answer the questions.
Christy, are you okay? Your face is turning red. What's the matter?
Dear God, Wayne, I can't get rid of this hiccup. It's been over 10 minutes. I think I'm getting dizzy.
What makes you hiccup like this?
I think I ate lunch too fast and ate too much.
Then what is the name of the toilet ghost in the Harry Potter book?
Huh? What kind of stupid question is that?
Don't get me wrong. See, you stopped hiccuping. This kind of weird question is a well-known remedy for hiccups. It draws your attention away from hiccuping and makes you stop.
Oh, cool. Now I can... well, that didn't work.
Okay then, I have another idea. Oh, here it is. Now breathe into this plastic bag several times.
Ew, what is the smell? It smells bad.
Well, that's the only bag I have. I carried a pair of old sneakers in it. It's okay. Just breathe in and out.
Jeez. Well, your remedies did not work. I better go and get some cold water. Bye.
Well, bye then. Boo!
Wayne, you scared me to death. What was that?
That should do it. Look, you got rid of the hiccuping. That was my last remedy.
Oh, wow. You were right. It stopped. You saved me, Dr. Wayne.
Anytime.
Now listen to Wayne, then role-play Christy.
Christy, are you okay? Your face is turning red. What's the matter? What makes you hiccup like this? Then what is the name of the toilet ghost in the Harry Potter book? This kind of weird question is a well-known remedy for hiccups. It draws your attention away from hiccuping and makes you stop. Okay then, I have another idea. Oh, here it is. Now breathe into this plastic bag several times. Well, that's the only bag I have. I carried a pair of old sneakers in it. It's okay. Just breathe in and out. Well, bye then. Boo! That should do it. Look, you got rid of the hiccuping. That was my last remedy.
If you are enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks, and let's carry on. Question 1. What is the conversation mainly about? A. How to stop hiccups. B. Why we hiccup. C. Getting dizzy from hiccups. D. Disadvantages of eating fast. The answer is how to stop hiccups. Question 2. How long was Christy hiccuping for? She was hiccuping for 10 minutes. Question 3. When did Christy start hiccuping? A. Before eating too much. B. After eating too fast. Question 4. What was used for the second remedy? A. Plastic bag, or B. A pair of sneakers.
What's the matter? What's the matter?
What's the matter? Is a question you ask when you want to know why someone is upset, worried, or not feeling well. It shows that you care about how they are feeling.
Example: I saw my friend looking sad, so I asked, "What's the matter?"
Dear God, Wayne, I can't get rid of this hiccup.
A hiccup is a small, sudden sound. It usually happens when you eat or drink too quickly, and it can happen to anyone.
Example: I got a hiccup after drinking my orange juice too fast.
I can't get rid of this hiccup. I can't get rid of this hiccup.
To get rid of means to remove or throw away something you no longer want or need. It means making something go away or no longer have it.
Example: I need to get rid of my old toys that I don't play with anymore.
I think I'm getting dizzy. I think I'm getting dizzy.
Dizzy is a feeling when you feel unsteady or lightheaded, and it may seem like the room is spinning. It can happen if you've been spinning around.
Example: after spinning on the playground swing, I felt dizzy and had to sit down.
What is the name of the toilet ghost in the Harry Potter book?
Myrtle Warrens, a character in the Harry Potter book. She became a ghost who haunted the second-floor girls' bathroom.
Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong.
Don't get me wrong is a phrase you use to tell someone not to misunderstand what you're saying. It means that you want to make sure the other person understands your point correctly.
Example: I like chocolate ice cream, but don't get me wrong, I also enjoy vanilla.
Kind of weird question is a
Weird means something that is strange, unusual, or different from what is normal.
Example. The movie was really weird because it had talking animals and flying cars.
A well-known remedy for hiccups. A well-known remedy for hiccups.
Well known means that many people know about it, or famous or recognized by a lot of people. A remedy is a kind of treatment to help fix a problem or make someone feel better, especially when they are sick or in pain.
Example. Garlic is a well-known remedy for helping to boost your immune system.
Your remedies did not work. Your remedies did not work.
Did not work means that something did not succeed. It shows that a try to do something has failed.
Example. I tried to fix my bike, but it did not work, so I had to ask Dad for help.
Wayne, you scare me to death. Wayne, you scare me to death.
Scare to death means to make someone feel terrified. It describes a feeling when someone is so scared that they feel like it might be very serious.
Example. The loud thunder scared me to death during the storm.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give a like and subscribe. I'll be grateful. Take care.